Hi, my name's Jack with Lewmar Tech Support, and today we're going to go through lid replacement on an ocean hatch.
Open the lid 90 degrees. This will give you access to use a Phillips PH2 screwdriver to undo the hinge plate from the lid. Tape off the area near the hinge pin to prevent any damage. Using a drift and a soft hammer, gently tap the pin to remove the hinge pin. When installing the new lid, remember not to forget the washers. Slide the pin back in place and again using a soft hammer to tap it in. A drift will be required for the last part as not to damage the frame. Once the hinge pin is back in place, we can then open the lid and reattach the friction hinge.